It's time to answer your Twitter questions here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer. Jim, first question comes from Peter today. He says, did the Biogen horseman fall off the horse? Is this a buying opportunity?
I have to worry myself because I was surprised that Tecfidera sales were really, really bad, pressured by some other drugs. The no-go on the Tysabri stroke indication. The Alzheimer's is going to be maybe too far away. I prefer right now own Allergan, which has something right now for the symptoms. So I got to reevaluate Biogen, and I haven't done that. Remember, the four horsemen of the big pharma apocalypse have been one of the best calls of my life. I like Regeneron much more, I like Celgene much more, and I like Gilead much more. I have to figure Biogen out. It's an on-the-fly situation.
All right, Eric says, Inotech Pharmaceuticals had a positive phase 2 meeting with the FDA. Is it a buy?
No, it happened. I mean, one of the things you have to recognize is when you get that, it's over. It's too risky. The smart money was there before. I shouldn't say over, but it's too risky for me now.
Lawrence asks, what do you think I should do with Sprint?
Okay, Sprint is a sale. It's a balance sheet issue. I'm not sure how much the common's worth. They need to raise a lot of money. T-Mobile's in the opposite situation. ATT, ATT, a lot of hope there because of DirecTV, and Verizon, a decent quarter.
How about Ford? What do you think of it here?
No, Ford, I think there's Latin America not good, Europe just okay, China they're not as big as GM, but these are all the auto stocks. A lot of people feel they're peaking at 17 million. I'm not recommending the auto stocks. Action Alerts owns GM, and I'm even uncertain about that.
Okay, well, you've talked a lot about playing Ambarella recently. Should investors wait for a pullback or just get on the boat now?
You know, what's happened with an Ambarella, again, that's like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, means that there's just a huddling around some stocks that have very good, strong growth. I like the fact that Ambarella is not just GoPro. There are a lot of drones, so I like Ambarella. I know that there's a big short story out there. Let the short come out again. That's typically what he does, and when he pounds it again, that could be your chance.
There you have it. Thank you so much, Jim. And if you have a stock question, make sure to tweet it at Jim Cramer using hashtag CramerQ. That's Jim Cramer, and I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.